Morning guys, morning. Kita niyo background ko? Bibili po tayo ng bag para kay Fortune. Ayan oh. Bilat natin siya ng backpack niya. Para dala-dala niya yung sa likod niya yung bag niya. Kasi di ba the other day?
Guy is taking my bag. As if he's playing, he's stealing my bag. Now I'm following right and down before Medina.
Ngayon, bibilhan natin siya ng bag para hindi na niya na iniiwanan sa kalsada yung para dala-dala niya kahit saan siya pumunta. O, di ba? Ayan o, daming pagpipilian. Oh, ang gaganda pa o. Oh. Tingin nga tayo. Para maibigay natin kay ano. Huwag din na masyadong maganda, baka naman mamaya lalong pag-interesan. Simple lang. More bags. Daming pagpipilian. So guys, ito po yung pupunin natin. Simple lang. Ayan. At saka mas malaki. And ano siya, it's like a waterproof. So guys, ayan, nabilan po natin si Fortune ng bag. Ayan, idadaan natin sa kanya. Para naman ano, kahit ilagay na lang sa likod niya yung ano gamit niya, o diba? Para iniiwanan niya kasi sa kalsada yung ano sa gilid ng kalsada yung bag niya, tapos nasa gitna ng kalsada. At binilhan ko na rin sila ng pagkain, pati na rin si Kevin. Guys, andito si Fortune, no? Fortune! I bought your bag for you so that you can put your things. Huh?
God bless you, Ma. Thank you very much.
And
God bless you, Ma.
okay.
Thank you very much, Ma. It's supposed to in my back. One to steal this.
Oh yeah, so just always put your bag in your back.
Make sure you wanna see it.
Alright.
Now I'm going to put my things here.
Okay.
Now, right now, I'm going to sit down.
Okay, go on the side now, Fortune.
Thank you, Mommy.
Fortune.
God bless you.
There's truck at the back. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hello.
Yes. Thank you.
Something to eat.
I really appreciate it, ma'am.
Alright.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah. See you.
Morning. What happened to your bag, Fortune? Hello. Where is your bag now? You're not using it.
My bag got the clean clothes in the house. Yeah. One of the days I'm gonna carry rice.
There you go, guys. You know what? I just don't know why Fortune parang pinaka-iingat-ingatan niya siguro yung bag niya kasi hindi niya ginagamit. We don't know what happened there. Ayoko naman nang tanungin, di ba? Kasi akala ko binigay ko yun para gamitin niya. Kaso hindi niya ginagamit. Like you heard, he said he used it to put his clean clothes. Well, basta at least binigyan na natin. So bahala na siya kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. Baka masyadong malaki naman kaya hindi ginagamit. O, di ba? Ayan. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in our next vlog. Bye!